Greetings, everyone. Mr. Anderson here. I wanted to do something a little more edited, but I figured I might as well get something out there. So yeah, I guess we're doing this whole online thing for the next month or so, if not the rest of the school year. So all new to me, obviously. Been feeling a little rough about it. Basically, my teaching. I got one of my dominant hands amputated because obviously we don't have communal tools. I can't offer you materials. So it's going to be kind of interesting as we move forward. All right. So basically, what I'm asking of you is to kind of just work with what you got. If it's just a paper and pencil, fine, it's a paper and pencil. But if you got markers or paint or anything, I'm going to push on a couple things about performance art, where you can actually use your body as a medium. Also, found objects, where you can basically collect objects or trash. You can go back to cardboard or something. Basically, whatever you have. All right. So right now, I'm going to push out those things on the Google Classroom for you to check out. Check those out. Read the articles attached. Watch the videos. Just kind of digest that information. All right. Start thinking about kind of what kind of mediums you possibly could. All right. And then next week, I'll start introducing new assignments, and I'm going to make them theme based, right? So basically, from that, right, you're going to just have a theme to complete, and you can do whatever you have access to, whatever you can make in order to come up with this, right? I'm not sure how the grading and all that stuff's going to go on, but, right, like, we're going to figure out as we go. Like I said, this is all new to me. Be patient with me. I do have some kind of goals that I would like to, have a little more highly edited than just me sitting in a chair in my bedroom. All right. So, um, yeah, we'll do the best we can. Learning experience for all of us. But yeah, I hope you all are well. And I hope everybody's healthy. And yeah, I miss my daily interactions with you guys. And yeah, we'll get through this. We'll figure it out, and yeah, try to move forward. All right. Also, feel free email me at any time at aanderson at sonomaschools.org, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. We may eventually try to do some kind of Google Hangout thing if you're interested. Let me know if you're interested in that. I can even just maybe put the 3D classes together as one Hangout, put the art one as another Hangout or something, or AP. Actually, AP, we should probably meet at some point and try to answer any questions about that kind of stuff. All right. But yeah, feel free to get in touch. Thinking about you guys. Yeah, hope everybody's good. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. All right.